Just did a flip, a 2-bedroom condo. We bought it, flipped it, renovated it, sold it, right? So I think the number one thing you have to remember when you're buying new investment real estate for yourself to make a quick profit on is basically you make your money when you buy, right? So you got to calculate that. Do not underestimate. As a matter of fact, make sure that you don't actually underestimate, don't overestimate everything, right? So just assume that you're going to sell it for less. Assume it's going to take you longer than it will. Assume that you're going to run into some problems and base your numbers on that. And if you do that, it's like a safer bet. It ends up being a really safe bet. So it's basically like we put some money in and we grew it, right, by about 20 to 30%. And now we're getting paid for that. So I love renovating, remodeling, and flipping. If you have properties that you want me to evaluate or even buy, you know who to call.